Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to make sweet pickled jalapenos. First, gather your fresh ingredients like jalapenos, vinegar, sugar, and your favorite spices. Next, we'll prepare the jalapenos by slicing them. Then, we'll simmer a delicious pickling brine. Finally, we'll pack everything into jars and process them for safe, long-term storage. It's an easy and rewarding kitchen project. To begin, wash about 1 pound of fresh jalapenos thoroughly under cool water. For consistent pickling, slice them into uniform 1/4 inch thick rounds. Remember to wear gloves to protect your hands from the capsaicin, which causes the heat. If you prefer a milder pickle, carefully remove the seeds and membranes before slicing. This step is crucial for both safety and flavor. Now let's create that irresistible sweet brine. In a saucepan, combine 2 cups of white vinegar with 2 cups of granulated sugar. Add 1 tablespoon of pickling salt and any desired spices, like mustard seeds or garlic. Bring this mixture to a rolling boil over medium-high heat, stirring until all the sugar and salt are completely dissolved. This sweet and tangy liquid is key. With your jalapenos and brine ready, carefully pack the hot jalapeno slices into clean, hot canning jars. Then, pour the hot brine over the jalapenos, ensuring you leave 1/2 inch of headspace at the top. Wipe the jar rims clean, apply new lids, and secure them with bands. Finally, process the jars in a boiling water bath for 10 minutes to ensure a safe seal. Enjoy your homemade treat.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.